Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make chlorophyll ice cubes. First, select your favorite dark leafy greens, such as spinach or kale, ensuring they are fresh and clean. Next, combine the greens with a small amount of filtered water in a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and vibrant green. This process extracts the maximum amount of chlorophyll from the plant material. Now, let's move on to straining for a pure liquid. After blending, it's time to strain your chlorophyll mixture. Place a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth over a bowl. Pour the blended green liquid into the sieve, allowing the pure chlorophyll juice to collect below. Gently press down on the remaining pulp to extract any last drops of the vibrant green liquid. This ensures you get the most out of your greens before moving to the next step. Now that your ice cube trays are filled with the vibrant green liquid, carefully place them into your freezer. Allow them to freeze completely, which usually takes about 4 hours, or until they are solid. Once frozen, pop the chlorophyll cubes out of the trays. Transfer them into an airtight container or a freezer-safe bag. This keeps them fresh and prevents freezer burn for up to 3 months. Your homemade chlorophyll ice cubes are now ready to use. Simply drop 1 or 2 into your daily glass of water, a refreshing smoothie, or your favorite juice. They dissolve easily, adding a powerful nutrient boost without altering the taste significantly. This is a fantastic and convenient way to incorporate more greens into your diet effortlessly. For an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.